Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Aditi Sonrexa, the Media Manager at MSF. Welcome to the second day of MSF Scientific Days Asia. I will be the MC for today. This year, the conference has gone virtual, but we continue to highlight research, innovation, and experiences from treatment and humanitarian programs across the region. This year, while the pandemic may have forced the world to come to a standstill, humanitarian workers and healthcare personnel continued to provide life-saving treatment for TB, HIV, Hep C to people around the world. On day one of the conference, we had some interesting research papers from the field on themes like SGBV, palliative care, MDR-TB, and hepatitis C. The day ended with a very compelling panel discussion on decolonizing public health. Today, we will have some very insightful and interesting conversations about the most pressing public health concern of our times, COVID-19. We will have interviews and panel discussions with some leading practitioners who have been leading the battle against COVID-19 in several countries and several different contexts. We will discuss how the pandemic made the refugee population in Cox's Bazar even more vulnerable, how this virus crippled the health systems in Syria, how Vietnam managed to control the spread of the virus, and MSF's experience treating COVID-19 patients in Mumbai, India. We will be discussing these and a lot more today. So I hope you all are ready with a hot cup of coffee for an engaging afternoon of scientific research. Before we begin, I would like to introduce you all to a few instructions to make this virtual experience comfortable for everyone, since we have people joining us from all over the world. In the main menu, starting from the tabs on the right, you can click on the exhibitors to have a one-on-one session on working with MSF and learning about our Global Health and Humanitarian Medicine course. By clicking on the Networking Lounge tab, you can join speakers and other attendees to discuss specific sessions. They will open after each session. On this platform, you can chat and meet other attendees as well. To do that, on the Attendee tab on your right-hand side, click on the attendee's name who you'd like to chat with. Moreover, you can also get details of sessions, speakers, their bios, and exhibitors. All of this can be accessed through the respective tabs. There's also a quick guide available on each page for this. We encourage everyone to ask questions to the presenters. Every session will have a 10-minute question-answer round after that. You can do that by going to the Q&A tab on the right-hand side of this video screen. We also request you to give us feedback for the conference and the sessions, a link for which will be provided at the end of each session in the chat window. Attendees can click on that link to share the feedback. The recording of each session will be available for 1 month from now. You can access it by going to the Agenda tab after the day is over.